All right, mate. Let's look here at lit. Okay. Yeah, interesting here. It's bullish as long as it holds above this, as long as it holds above the white 100 moving average. You know, sometimes these, it really depends on the overall market. Sometimes this can actually be bearish, and this could be more powerful. And a breakdown then would lead this to going lower, and price gets stuck under here and kind of goes down. Okay, I don't mean going to zero, but as long as this stays here, this can actually be a very powerful pattern, and we can do that. We can actually explode up out of this. So it's potentially a bullish apex as long as the market stays good. Now you might think, okay, well, it is maybe better to start buying down here because obviously if you want to buy at the top, then you're going to wish you bought at the bottom. So with that in mind, if we take a look, obviously we have a new 3-day tomorrow, which is very interesting. Okay, a new 3-day. There's a new weekly. So again, you want to be looking for something like this where price can recover. Um, if you flip green, you can buy this with a stop below the new weekly low. Now, if we look at the 2-week chart, so we have a new 3-day, a new week, and a new 2-week tomorrow, which is very, very important. The problem is there is slight bearishness to this, that it is pushing the price down. We are kind of rejecting. This is closing below the previous low. This was a lower high. Um, there's an argument here that this could be some sort of a bear flag or even a bear pennant that wants to crash lower. So there's definitely mixed signals on this, and you need to be careful. Okay, you definitely need to be careful. It really depends on Bitcoin and everything else. Now, can this bounce right back up and negate? It could. It definitely could. Like this pattern could actually play out, and we could just get very strong. We could BART back up to the upside, and this could continue higher on its merry way. We would need to negate this bearish candle. So, what I will suggest is obviously, just trade the new 2-week. What you want is something like this or something like this even, where you get a bullish engulfing candle, and then it can continue the trend to the upside. So there'll be a small dip, and then you want it to flip green and see if that trend can continue. Get on board and only stay in the trade if the 2-week candle stays green.